not countering Narendra Modi in his campaign
I don't
speeches.
agree with you. Mr. Modi wants the politics of the gutter.
Is Arvind Kejriwal in politics for the long haul? And if there is a hung assembly, who will he support?
ये मंदिर मस्जिद की राजनीति हमें खत्म करनी पड़ेगी।
ईद के किसी फंक्शन पे गए तो आपने स्कल कैप भी पहन ली। मोदी जी ने पहनने से इनकार कर दिया।
मैं धर्मनिरपेक्षता का समर्थक नहीं हूँ।
Somebody who's been considered a huge threat by both the Congress and the BJP.
Unless we clean up the system from inside, nothing will happen.
Your party has proposed Hindu nationalism and the savior is perhaps Narendra Modi.
At one time, Vishwa Hindu Parishad had also said that Jaswant Singh is not a Hindu.
There seems to be a belief that secularism has come to mean for some parties that you appease one group versus the other.
India is not and must not and shall not be a Hindu Pakistan.
We tend to dismiss policies which benefit the poorest of the poor as saying that these are for vote.
One way of looking at it, who are the beneficiaries?
To light our villages all across the country, we will not stop until the tiger is safe. That's a commitment.
Are you saying that then you're ready to break from the BJP and form your own party?
After December, I will take my own decision.
There are things that the UPA government could have done years ago. Now you've woken up.
We can't, to answer to somebody else why we're doing it now and not earlier.
So you do acknowledge that not having Mr. Anna Hazare, there is a big void. Does that make your task more
serious repercussions for Goa's mining industry? Rising menace of fake chit funds. From political corruption to on-the-ground exposés, cabinets are packed with vested interests. To India's corrupt public distribution system that were in ground zero of acute agricultural crisis, degenerated into a political slugfest, laid bare with precision and expertise.
मैं बाहर रहकर जो काम करता वो MLA, MP, मंत्री बनकर भी नहीं कर सकूंगा.
Almost anybody you meet is about twice your age.
I've always enjoyed working with Manmohan Singh. I think he's a very wise man. I listen very carefully to what he says.
In the worst ever floods to hit Uttarkashi, this is the first of the chopper rides that are now going to be travelling.
Crackdown on the Jal Satyagrahis in Khardana village has been happening. We have now gone closest to the possible location.
This is a village of at least 100 people, 100 families. At the moment, there is not one single person in this entire village.
The shooter came into the Darbar hall, but luckily Ardas had just finished.
One of the leaders, a civil society leader, asking the police to get out of this place.